How to fix Messenger remove for everyone problem. So first you need to open up your Messenger application, and here you may have a message. So for example, I'll be going to a chat, and then you need to simply tap and hold on to that chat for 2 to 3 seconds, and you will get more option. Tap on more, which is on the bottom right side, and then tap on remove, and now you can go for unsend, which is remove for everyone. Go for the first option, and here if you try to unsend, now your message has been unsent, right? But if you try to unsend and if your message is not being removed, then what you can do is the messenger might be lagging at that moment, so you need to simply wait for 24 hours and your problem might be fixed. But if that's not the case, if the other person is unsending the message or removing the message, and if you're not being able to remove your message, then you need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search bar and search for Messenger. And once you've searched, here you may have an update option. But if you don't have an update option, then don't worry, you may get an update option soon. And if you have an update option, simply tap on update, and you need to update your application. And once you update your application, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings and scroll down and go for apps and go for see all apps, and you need to go for the search icon, which is on the upper right, and search for Messenger. And once you've searched for Messenger, you can go for storage and cache, and under storage and cache, go for clear cache. And now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you fix your problem on Messenger of remove for everyone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.